This is the only video you need to watch in order for you to manage an Instagram account like a pro. In case you missed this video I dropped years ago, how I was able to grow my social media account from 0 followers to 21,000 followers, you may want to check it out. But right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can manage an Instagram account. In that video, I also spoke about Instagram optimization, which is a key factor that you need to know if you want to manage an Instagram account effectively. Hi social media managers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Becky Jo. In case you're new here, I'm a retired social media manager who's currently redefining the business of social media management. And in this video today, I'm going to be talking about how you can manage an Instagram account for you to get enough visibility, get the best out of it, and also make your clients proud. The first thing you want to know before actually posting on Instagram or handling an account is for you to understand your target audience. Who do you want to create content for? Who do you want to see your content? The next thing is for you to now ask yourself, what kind of content do I want to create and what is my goal? Am I on Instagram because I want to get more awareness? Is it because I want more views? Is it because I want more followers? Is it because I want to sell? So a lot of people are on this platform for so many reasons, but the major goal is value. You get something in exchange. Remember, Instagram is like a marketplace. You go there to sell either your services, your products, or even sell yourself as a personal brand. So the first thing you want to look out for before managing an Instagram account is to make sure that you have the profile picture. I have a video on my YouTube channel where I spoke about Instagram optimization. I explained all of the nitty-gritty, also sharing tutorials on what you should do in order for you to optimize an Instagram account in the most effective way. So you want to check out that video if you want to know how to optimize your profile from your bio to your DP to your link in bio to the type of content you should create to your hashtags. All of those things need to be optimized and you're going to see them in that video. Now that you optimize your Instagram profile, you want to start creating content. Now, you don't just want to post any random content. Even bloggers have a direction. They know that, oh, we're focusing on just politics. Oh, we're focusing on just memes. Oh, we're focusing on just controversial topics. So you, when managing your client's account, you want to know the type of content you want to put out. You want to have content pillars with goals behind you. Right? Now, your content pillars are like topics that you want to talk about relating to what your client does or what you do as a social media manager. So you can go ahead and pick in 4 to 5 topics. Think of it like watching Netflix, where you have different movie categories. You have comedy, you have action movie. Those are like different sectors, but you're watching all on Netflix. So look at your account, look at your personality, look at your interests, look at the things that you enjoy talking about. What are those things? So I'm going to use myself for example. I share social media tips, content tips, my personal life as a retired social media manager, and I also share interesting memes to keep you entertained. So those are the kind of things that you want to know. Now, one thing you must know is every content that you put out must have a goal. Is this content going to be educating, entertaining, inspiring, or is this content for sales? You need to decide on that and then create your content and start posting. Now, before you post also, you want to decide on your content format. Content formats are the modes in which your content are created. Do you want to create carousels? Do you want to create talking videos? Do you want to create reels? Do you want to create single designs? Do you want to post pictures? Do you want to make them infographics? There are so many different formats that you need to know, you need to understand when creating your content. Another thing that you need to know when managing an Instagram account is your captions. You need to write like you're talking to people. I know a lot of us tend to use AI, but trust me, people know when you use AI. So you want to actually write like you speak. You want to humanize how you write your caption. And quick tip, you want to always use a hook and ask questions or use the poll features to generate more engagement. Another thing you want to add to your captions is your hashtags. Hashtags are king. If you've not watched my free course on how to become a social media manager, I broke down the hashtag strategy and you can click the link in my description to go watch that free course so that you can know how to search for hashtag. You can know the rules when looking for hashtags, and you can also know the right hashtags to use depending on any industry you're working in. I explain everything down to the tiniest bits, all of the nitty-gritty. Now, once you've discovered your hashtags, you want to now make your posts. After making your post, you don't want to ghost. You want to post and engage. So you want to stay back to reply comments, reply your previous post comments so that you can bring those people back to your feed. Yes, they're going to see the notification, they're going to think about you, and they're going to come to your profile. Once you've engaged with them, you also want to go check for large accounts who have your type of audience, engage them, drop meaningful comments so that people can like your comments. I once got a post that had over 1,000 likes and got over 300 followers from that comment, and this is because my comment was very entertaining. So you don't just want to drop emojis or one-line comments. You want to put your own point of view or say something interesting. You can even use that as a strategy to get your ideal clients to find you. The next thing after you've engaged with your audience is you don't want to forget the story. The most people who view your story are your most active followers. Yes, even if you have 100,000 followers and you have only 500 people watching, trust me, those are your loyal fans, because every day they are coming to check up on you. So you don't want to leave them ghosting. You want to go there once in a while to interact with them, speak to them, and also get them to know you more, and you know them as well. How is this class going? I feel like this is a master class already. Now that you've been posting, do this consistently and ask yourself, do I want to post 5 times a day? Do I want to post 3 times a week? Do I want to post 5 times a week? Be consistent in your posting schedule, and then at the end of the month, you want to check your analytics and see what content performed best, what content had the most shares, what content had the most impressions, what content had the most reach, what content had the most comments. You want to study your content so that in the next month, you're going to prioritize those contents which perform better and get more people to see your content. Quite interesting, right? I know that you've been able to learn so much from this video. So if you want to learn more about being a successful social media manager, want to help your clients grow on every platform, I have a premium course for social media managers, and I want you to sign up for it. So check the link in my description that says premium course, sign up, and I can't wait to see you in class. My name remains Becky Jo, and please do not forget to share this video, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.